Hey guys, Jay Hughes again. We're going to make this one short and sweet. This is the third part of our turning $1,500 into a $100,000 income. The done for you option. Simple, boring, lazy. I know you guys hate that. But let's go ahead and jump right into it so we can save a little time. Of course, here we are again. This looks familiar. Stop it, read it, pause, whatever you need to do. Disclaimer here. All right, let's just go ahead and recap it a little. This is the done for you 10 minutes a week to $100,000 income. I put a question mark there because you've got to answer that for yourself. Now remember, we have a couple of milestones here. Just want to bring you up to date if you hadn't seen the other two videos. Milestone one, grow your $1,500 account into $100,000 or more. Milestone two, after you reach that, you start withdrawing $100,000 a year of annual income or more only after milestone one is reached. And again, to do that based on our program, based on how we're trading, we're looking at 7.5% a month or more. So let's take a look at the difference between the do-it-yourself and the done for you, which we call outsourcing. I don't like to just call it trade copying and mirroring, but it's a little different. We have a little bit, a little twist on it that qualifies it for business outsourcing more so than just social trade copying and trade mirroring. This is true in any sort of business. The good is to study people, successful people, gain knowledge. That's good. We like that. Better to do what successful people do, which is modeling. In other words, behave as they do. Best for business people is have successful people do it for you. That's where you have leverage. Now, believe it or not, you're doing that every day, but you may be doing it unconsciously. If you have a 401k, if you have a pension plan, anything of that nature, even buying a stock, folks, you're really outsourcing your wealth building. So it's nothing different. We're just going to do it more focused here. What are some of the investments that you've got to take a look at when you're doing it yourself? Trading indicators, you can pause this and just read over the whole thing, but right here, like a Forex trading room, what I actively trade myself is the S&P E-mini. I love that. I'm part of a trading room that's $600 a month. You may think that's a lot, but it really isn't if I'm profiting X amount of dollars each and every month. It's just the cost of doing business. And I think that's where people go wrong when they think about jumping into Bitcoin, when they think about jumping into Forex. They forget about the cost of doing business. So I want to direct you back over to my one-page business plan, and you're going to see that that is a reality. But you got to invest money, time, and effort. And I always talk about the ROI versus the ROE, and that's the return on effort, the return on emotion. ROI, of course, we know that's return on investment, and they typically talk about the monetary return when it comes to that. Now, if you're part of our mastermind, and that's just a group of us, man, we just collectively, we co-op, and we have different indicators. We also have people taking trades for us. If for instance, I'm here in the United States, I think I made this point once before, and the best times to place trades is the European market and also the US market. And since I also trade, do other things, I'm tired, I may want other people to watch the market for me, so I outsource that. So the bottom line is all orders and trades that are executed by our team are instantly copied into your account. Again, you benefit from all the dollars of research, the testing, the resources, expertise, and efforts of just having our trades copied into your account instantly. So you can have that done for you less than 13 bucks a week. How do we start it up? And most of you guys already know this. You have a no risk option. What I absolutely love about Forex and the MT4 platform is you can start with a demo account and you can track, watch, and learn. So everyone's telling you to put your money into something. They say, trust me, go with binary options, go with Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, all of that. Man, there's no way that you can test it without just putting a lot of money into it and just trusting. No, you can actually start with a demo account and you can track what we do, learn what we do, watch what we do, and again, do it on your own. Or you can go low risk. On the low risk, and yeah, I kept the W off on purpose. All right, but you can open a small account if you choose to. Remember, I'm not advising that. But with Forex, you can start with as little as $100 and mirror what we do and just grow your account. I put this here because I want you to know none of that is guaranteed. You can lose your whole $100. You can lose everything that you put into it quite easily. And how do you do that? Just connect to our master account and let it go from there. The done for you includes, can't hardly see this, guys. Okay. The done for you includes, this is what we provide and do, basic VPS with the MT4. That's a virtual private server. If you don't know what that is, Google it. All it is a computer that you can access anywhere, from anywhere, that is. While we preload your trade copier, which is the receiver, in other words, that's what will be connected to our account. We have nothing to do with your account. We can't touch your account, can't touch your money. That's why it would be best just to start with a demo account so you can understand how the whole thing works. And we execute all of our signals. You'll know what signals they are because we're actually loading your platform up with the same indicators that we're utilizing. You also get ongoing research and development of different systems, tools from our group, and real-time updates. Now, what do you have to do? You got to learn how to do this, guys. You have to set up your leverage. You have to understand that, understand your money management, and then you just activate it, press a button, and just say, go, copy. Step-by-step process, here it is. You will open the Forex account, register it, send required info to our team, and I try to put how long each one of those are taking. Of course, that's an estimation. And we will register and set up your VPS. We'll install your MT4 platform and install the copier software. And then as soon as we send that to you, you verify the setting, activate the auto trading if you decide to. That's your decision. And again, manage your money, learn, make your decisions is your business. That's ongoing. And then watch, track, learn, and make adjustments along the way. Now, this is what we will not do. We're going to be honest with you. We're not going to hold your hands. We're going to give you resources so you can learn it for yourself. Basic teaching. We're not doing basic teaching. Of course, we're going to give you instructions and again, give you resources so you can learn for yourself. This is your business. So if we're giving you the indicators, you're just outsourcing the discipline and the patience to execute. That's it. And we will not tolerate bitching and moaning. Guys, I'm telling you, just leave if that's the case. Because at $50 a month, now, I'll tolerate your bitching and your moaning if we're like some of these rooms and you're spending anywhere between $1,000 to $1,500 a month. Yeah, I'll take your bitching and your moaning, or if I'm taking part of your profits. But we're talking about less than $13 a week. And my ROE, return on emotion, dealing with people that you don't want to deal with, not going to do it. All right, folks. So bottom line is $50 a month, 100 spots only, and that's because of the FX Blue trade copier. And you guys can check that out for yourself. They only allow 100 people on that platform, and that's quite enough to be quite frank with you. And that's all it is. Go make some money, guys. That's the end.